The square and hardcore body shape of Xinyuan E3L looks smart and tidy, which greatly improves space utilization. The vehicle has an extra-long cargo box of 3,145 mm, a cargo box volume of over 7 cubic meters, a rated load of 1,340 kilograms, and a cargo box loading utilization rate of up to 95%. Xinyuan E3L chose to design a side sliding door on the passenger side to facilitate loading and unloading. The effective opening size can reach 870 mm, which can form an effective opening area of 1:275. The tailgate adopts a 5:5 split design with a maximum opening angle of 270 degrees, which can form a tailgate opening area of 1:788. It is easy to load and unload goods with a forklift, which effectively releases and improves manpower. There is no doubt that when encountering heavy load climbing, the power arrangement of the Xinyuan E3L mid-mounted rear-wheel drive motor can move the center of gravity backward without tilting the vehicle head and losing traction, and provide more thrust. The Xinyuan E3L adopts the braking form of the front disc and rear drum, which has smaller thermal attenuation and higher braking efficiency. When encountering narrow roads, the flat nose and short wheelbase design of the E3L provide better visibility and can effectively shorten the vehicle's turning radius and improve the U-turn passing rate on narrow roads. It is equipped with a permanent magnet synchronous motor with a maximum power of 60 kilowatts and a peak torque of 220 Nm. It has a fast start response and fast acceleration under full load. It has a capacity of 41.86 kilowatt-hours. It has a long range under the conditions of the battery from CATL and CLTC. The mileage exceeds 263 kilometers. When driving the car, there is a head-up display like HUD on the instrument panel. You can place your mobile phone horizontally to display navigation, which increases the safety of using the car. Air conditioning air outlet, main and auxiliary seats to facilitate ordering the driver's seat can realize the flat screen connection, and you can work or eat temporarily at any time. During the meal, the large flat-screen passenger bench is clean and beautiful, and it is very practical for two uses. When the backrest of the small middle seat is folded, the central armrest can be used as a storage box or independently. Small dining table in seconds. The back of the cargo box can be installed. 220V household power outlet, which can be used for loading and unloading lighting, electricity for electric appliances, boiling water and cooking noodles, etc.